Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is, the Kobra 3 V2 3D printer from Anycubic. Early bird sales going on right now, and the price will go up towards the different dates. All you gotta do is check out the link down below. You get 50% off filament pack, a giveaway for a gift card, mystery boxes, and more. There's different styles of printing you could do. This is the best one of 2025-2026 quarter to buy. Simple, easy to put together in 15 minutes. You can unbox it, set it up. I mean, this has it all, guys. Active filament drying, improve auto leveling, minimum installation. It does come with the app, but this is definitely the best one on the market. And I'll show you guys in a second what else it could do. Bear with me right now. Here we go. On to the next one. That's what it looks like. And it does everything, guys. I'm telling you. I've seen videos already on it. Really impressed. There's an auto leveling it could do. Let me zoom in a little bit for you guys to see. Enhance auto level. Higher success rate. Top of the line. Nozzle technology. You ain't got to worry about the spaghetti. So this is a straight shot. Easy to use. Anyone could do it. You could do enough space for wildest imagination. You could build your forts, your bat caves, whatever you guys want to do. And it comes with the camera, standard 720p camera. You can do motion photography. You can upload it to your social media, Instagram, TikTok, and all that good stuff, and YouTube. I mean, you could just build mini bikes like that one, mini figures. So you name it. This is the top 3D printer on the market right now for the price. I mean, for under $1,000, definitely can't beat it. It has active fulfillment driving, optimal performance. It'll show example. The one to the right is the best one. In a fast selection of filaments, so different colors to choose from. You can build your castle like that one. Print speed up to 600 mms. 11 minutes and 30 seconds. Super fast, super quiet. Put this on TikTok live stream. You'll be good to go. And it'll tell you about the fully automatic all fulfillment, AI detection, and everything. So this is fully equipped, guys. One click vibration compression. Print like a pro from day one. I'm definitely excited. I got so many ideas to do with this, so can't wait to show you guys. And you got full metal quick release. And then, like I said, you can customize whatever you want. Helmets, toys. Make your own toys. Parts for anything. And like I said, there's an app. Anycubic Slicer Next 4. You can download. And there's different presets they'll have available for you to choose from. And it's by the Oracle. You could be coming to Linux pretty soon. Like I said, there's different presets that comes with it, and then other good features. And then batch printing, you do more than one print, and you can watch it in real time through your app or your computer or your tablet. You can see it. There you go. Real-time monitoring. And then the time-lapse photography where you can upload it to your social media. So that's something cool. And then Marker Online, your go-to model database. That's where different models they have to offer you could choose from. and then all you gotta do is select them, download it, and then upload it. So here's the product feature. Shows pretty much everything you need to know. Once you click that link down below, it'll take you right to the page. Place your order today, guys, so they'll ship it to you fast. And it just tells the tech specs and everything else. So I'm telling you, this sounds amazing, looks amazing. Can't wait to test this out. In the package list, you get the 3D printer, pretty much everything you need to get started. And like I said, you can buy the filaments and everything else. So definitely click the link, check them out, place your orders in tonight, and take advantage of the early bird sale going on now. And good luck, everybody, with this one. Be safe, take it easy. See you guys soon. And we're done. Have a good night.